Are you looking for a crypto trading platform that stands out in 2025? Whether you're a beginner or a pro trader, Bybit has been making waves in the market, but is it really the best option for you? Stay tuned, because in this video, we're diving deep into Bybit, exploring its features, advantages, potential drawbacks, and why it's gaining traction among traders. If you're serious about crypto trading, this is a video you don't want to miss. What is Bybit? Bybit is one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency exchanges, offering futures, spot trading, and a range of innovative features designed for traders of all levels. Established in 2018, Bybit has positioned itself as a reliable and user-friendly alternative to mainstream platforms like Binance and Coinbase. Why traders are switching to Bybit? So, why are traders flocking to Bybit? Here are some key reasons. Low trading fees, competitive rates that make it appealing for high-frequency traders. Advanced trading tools leverage up to 100x on futures contracts. No KYC for most features. Allows greater privacy compared to KYC mandatory exchanges. Strong security measures, cold wallet storage, and multi-factor authentication. Innovative earning features, Bybit Earn and staking options for passive income. Bybit vs Binance, which one is better? Many traders compare Bybit with Binance. Here's a quick breakdown. User experience. Bybit has a sleek and simple UI, making it easier for beginners. Liquidity. Binance has higher liquidity, but Bybit is catching up fast. Leverage trading. Bybit offers up to 100x leverage, while Binance caps at 20x for some assets. Security. Both platforms prioritize security, but Bybit's non-KYC model attracts users seeking privacy. Hidden features of Bybit you need to know. Testnet Mode, tryout strategies without risking real funds. Automated trading bots, perfect for those who want to automate their trading strategies. Dual price mechanism prevents market manipulation by using an external price index. Copy trading, follow and replicate successful traders' strategies effortlessly. Bybit NFT Marketplace, a growing hub for digital assets and collectibles. Is Bybit safe? Security measures explained. Bybit implements top-tier security measures. Cold wallet storage, funds are stored in offline wallets, reducing hacking risks. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security. Insurance fund helps protect traders from sudden market liquidations. Future of Bybit in 2025. What's next? Bybit is constantly evolving, with new features and partnerships expanding its ecosystem. Some potential future updates include more fiat on-ramp options, making it easier to deposit funds directly. Regulatory compliance upgrades, ensuring its sustainability in global markets. More passive income options, expanding Bybit Earn to attract long-term investors.